Hello again. In an effort to help you guys deal with some social distancing guidelines, we have created a contactless way for people to book your rentals, activities, lodging, packages, merchandise, and other items that you have in Adventure Office through a QR code. These QR codes are a great way to handle guests who are already in-house as well as people who are walking into your office. The setup for these QR codes is very easy. We're going to head over into the settings. We're going to grab your Adventure web links from the top. And from here, we can select any inventory item that we want to generate a QR code for. I'm going to click on Activities first and show you every one of our activities has its own QR code generated next to it. You can right-click and copy-paste them, or go ahead and save them to your computer to insert them into a word processor later and make a sign to hang up around your location, in your office, or elsewhere. In the same way, you could use these QR codes to generate a code for different inventory items in your store and allow your customers to go ahead and check out that way through their own phones. Once you have your code, you can draw up some verbiage here and then copy-paste them into your word processor, or use the insert option here at the top to insert a photo into your document. Now all that your guests will need to do is point their phone camera app at your QR code, click the link that pops up, and they're able to book right away from their phone. Something to keep in mind when creating your QR codes are your sales cutoff times for online reservations. You can override these if you need to at the inventory level by editing the activity, scrolling down to cut off overrides, and this setting allows us to override our business rules and set it for whatever we think is appropriate. We can do it right at the time of departure, allowing people to book right up until that trip leaves, or you could set it for an hour out if you want to give yourself a little extra leeway. Now I go back to my activity. If I scroll down to my cutoff overrides, I can actually see what I set here, and then I'll update the activity to make sure everything is saved. And there you have it, Adventure Office family. That's how to set up your QR codes to allow online booking for activities and other inventory items. If you have any questions about setting these up, go ahead and give us a call. Our number is on the screen for support, and we'll see you guys next time for another video.